This outfit I did buy in India in 2013. And when I heard I was going, actually I met this gentleman from India in the Wycliffe office one day, and we had been keeping in touch. So when I found out, yes, JP Daniel, when I found out I was going to India, just out of courtesy, I told the gentleman I was coming to India. No, you know, say India big, right?
Yes, man, big.
So he never did imagine when we going to see this man. So he writes back, he says, where are you going to be staying? I said, I'm going to be in Bangalore. He says, oh, that's just 5 hours drive away from where we are. We come and get you. I was very nervous. I'll tell you, I was very nervous. But I'm very happy that I had that experience, sharing with the children in their children's home, their orphanage that they put together, where, I mean, they're sleeping on the ground to make space for these children in their home. And so we're traveling along, and I said, oh, maybe you want to hear the CD. And I put it in. And that song I just did was the one they wanted to hear over and over and over again. And the message arising from that song was the message I delivered in church. They told me 11 o'clock Saturday night that I was the speaker from the morning. Probably, Brother Courtney, you've had experiences like those. And so that was the message. But this next song actually has the word India in it. It's a simple song, and it's telling us a simple message. Go and go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. So India is in it, so they were excited about that one too. They wanted to hear that one. Haiti is also mentioned in this song. Go and go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. From the mountain, in the valley, in the city, round the countryside, one go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. Tell everybody. In the market, in the schoolyard, down in the Jiizas, on the gully side, one go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. Jesus Baan, Messiah Baan, we Savior Baan, King Jesus Baan. In the market, in the schoolyard, down in the Jiizas, on the gully side, one go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. In India, in China, in Australia, all over Africa, one go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. In Haiti, in Antigua, Costa Rica, all over Jamaica, one go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. Arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord has risen upon you. Yeah, Jesus Baan, Messiah Baan, the Savior Baan, King Jesus Baan. In Haiti, in Antigua, Costa Rica, all over Jamaica, one go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. One go tell everybody, one go tell everybody, yeah. One go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. One go tell everybody, one go tell everybody, yeah. One go tell everybody, say Jesus Baan. Jesus Baan.